What's up, traders? We're back. New week. Ready to Gonna do a little analysis here on gold. Won't be too long. All right.
Je suis là. Allô?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, my brother. Pourquoi tu me sends le Linktree?
Je l'ai mis sur Twitch.
Yo, t'as pas fait le Twitch encore?
J'ai fait. C'est ça.
Putain, bro. Tu
C'est
l'as
done,
fait?
c'est clean, first. J'ai mis le link. J'ai mis, yo, on a 5 followers, bro, sur Twitch.
No way, bro?
Ouais, je savais même pas.
Let me log in. Yo.
Good stuff, good stuff.
Yeah, my brother. Attends, laisse-moi login sur Twitch. Yo, c'est quoi? C'est Radical?
Yeah, Radical PLP.
In the NHL, at first in the NHL in either category. Really?
Tu l'entends?
Seems
Yeah.
interesting.
Ouais.
Also, what a line. That's
Ah, ça, c'est toi, bro? Sur Twitch?
I feel like,
Huh?
That's Twitch?
is this what the line has
Hey,
been?
bro, c'est le gars, c'est un gars d'hockey, ça, qui
No,
Lucky
they
80 qui se passe. What's up, brother?
this is a good opportunity
You
too
meet
to
up,
like
meet up.
figure out who you're.
So yeah, if we get a break above the daily high over here, it's very possible that we can shoot up again. To be honest, like it's just been so on crack recently. Daily high broke here, we went up. Daily high broke here, we went up. You know, every single time it breaks the daily high, went up, went up, went up. Here was like, it went up a bit, but it did close bearish. But nonetheless, you know, if it breaks the high, you know, the odds are that it's probably going to go up a substantial amount. So this is a pretty important level, unless we have our previous daily low also, you know, which is a pretty big level also. Just going to mark up this low over here also. Structure is still bullish. So yeah, from that side, we're still bullish. I think it's, I would say this fib over here, you know, which had a nice reaction off the 50.
Yeah, my brother. Il y a vraiment le truc pour Twitch? On passe?
Hein?
Vraiment, on passe sur iMessage.
Yo, je sais même pas c'est quoi, bro. I'm just logged in, bro. Attends, laisse-moi checker. C'est toi qui avais create le Twitch, bro. Yeah, Twitch, c'est toi qui a create. Tu m'avais envoyé sur iMessage. What we saying, brother? What's good, brother? What you saying? Yo, c'est le même mot de passe, bro. Man, I really want to catch some sells, bro, to be honest. Oh. Some nice volume here. Pre-Asia volume. It's just a mess, bro, to be honest. Like, I want to get some buys over here and sells here. I think it's just going to play in the range, to be honest. So we can just play the range, most probably. We have this here. You know, our next zone would be like here, so I have some nice range here, 60 pip range. Can probably look to get sells on the pullback here. H4 has made a nice wick up top. A lot of volume in the market. What do you say? We rip the sells right after this 15? Yeah, brother. What you saying? What you seeing on gold? If we take the sells right over here, bro. Yo, you muted or what? Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna rip the sells right here. Huh?
Oh yeah, we can catch some nice sells, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Yo, pas le truc de
Really
Twitch.
nice volume here. Maybe if we can make a top wick, probably rip some sells here. Only confluence, bro. Alright, 23, see?
Yo, le profile est biz, bro.
Comment?
Genre, y a rien, c'est dead.
Il n'y a pas grand confluence, bro. No, pour sells. It's just a range, bro, to be honest. But I want to play this range, bro. I want to play this range here. We're breaking below here, so... Yeah, we do have a lot of volume, though. Yeah, if we were to sell here, the stops are 50. Nah, that's too big. But it is a nice 30 close here. Forming a nice resistance here. You know what? I'm going to take sells around the 38.2, anticipating that it's going to be the top wick. And then we can probably make our way down until
Yeah,
here.
to be honest, I think it's just gonna range.
Yeah, just play the range, honestly.
Exactly, yeah.
I don't want to sell right off the bat because I feel like if it breaks a low, it can come up and make a top wick. I feel like it's going to range here and then it's going to break out to the downside, possibly.
Yeah. I feel it's gonna drop for sure, but I think it's gonna like fake out something before.
I feel like when this low fakes out over here, when we hit this low over here, then it's going to go up because a lot of people are going to be selling below here. And we have our 61.8 here also. 61.8, we have our 23. This is a pretty strong level over here. I want to sell until there. The question is that either I can rip the sells right off the bat here, but the stop loss is pretty deep, or I can take it up here. The stop loss will be like 30 pips.
If you wait like till we can enter off the 382.
Yeah, I'm thinking like an entry here.
Of the bigger fib.
Let's see if we can shoot up to make a top wick.
Yeah, I think the 382 is a nice entry.
Oh, no wick either. All right, if it hits here, I'm going to be taking sells over here. If we can get a pullback till there. Stops will be like above here. Take profit, I'll put it here. But I don't know if there's a lot of volume right now. We might just rip down, to be honest. Ideally, I feel like it should respect this daily high here, honestly. It can go up, take out the daily high, and then come down, but Let's see what happens. All right, so I've entered sells over here. You know, I took a position here that I'm gonna hold it here, to be honest. If we do break to the upside, then it is what it is. You know, it's probably gonna maybe go grab liquidity. But I've entered sells here. I'm gonna not put a stop for now. But if I see we're breaking above, then I'm gonna manage my risk. But my target is actually deeper than here. I'll probably go break even if it hits here about 65 pips. I'm gonna be targeting like this low here. But it is a pretty risky setup since we're in a really bullish trend. But I went low risk on this one. See if we can flip here. Come down. I don't like this H1, to be honest, the way it just shot up. But it can flip for sure.
I was on mute. Yo, pourquoi tu mets sur mute? T'es fou?
Nah, bro, I didn't put mute. Bro.
I was saying it's the first day of the month, so there's a possibility that we go melt and do the monthly wick.
Possible, yeah.
So je pense que je vais call Discord.
This monthly has already made a top wick, so yeah, it's possible. To be honest, like I said, I can see this coming down, but I don't think it's smart for it to break the daily high and then. I think it should respect the daily high, to be honest.
C'est quoi l'entry?
Huh?
122, right?
Yeah, here, 3122, yeah. Yeah, I'd like to really target the lows. Ideally, like, yeah, over here. I'd like to target this here. Hi, Krishna Deepa, how are you?
Hare Krishna, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So yeah, as I was saying, I'd like to target these lows over here. This 50, if it could come back over here, or even the 61. And this would be like the level we'd have to watch. So if it comes down until here, you know, I'd place my stop loss to break even. See if we can flip here. 15 can give a nice flip over here. In slight profit right now, but I'd like to see it come down with more volume. It's the start of a new quarter also, right? Tomorrow.
Really?
This daily candle, I think, or tomorrow, actually. Let me just see the 3 month. Yeah, it's the start of a new quarter. So, yo, I can't even see the candle, bro. Oh my god. Yo.
Just put hide.
Huh?
Put hide.
Hide what?
Hide drawings, yeah.
I'll just take it off.
Yeah, just,
Man, look at the size of this, bro. Yo,
that's humongous.
that's crazy. That's the year so far. I don't think there's ever been a candle this big on gold. Yeah, this is the biggest candle ever on gold, like 3 month candle. Crazy.
You gotta be patient with this one. Expect drawdown. I think it's gonna take out. It's just gonna play around, to be honest.
Yeah, probably volume might kick out, come in London, but you know, as long as we respect the daily high, it should be good.
Yeah.
Man, this is crazy, bro. Crazy times to be trading gold. I really wonder like how this candle is going to be. I feel like we're going to go up and then we're going to come down.
Yeah.
But we are going to go up. Like we're going to make a substantial top wick. And then we're going to have like during the summer we're going to make a pullback probably. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, let's see if this daily high can hold over here. It's in the middle of a range, so yeah, if we break up above here with good volume, the chances, that we can go up until 3142. But unless, I'm expecting it to like, if it can hold, then it's probably going to come down back over here. At least until here. Like this is a super strong level over here. 3113. Super strong level. See what happens. Just wait.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Banks. What's new, bro?
We'll be back.
I will move to my Mac. Okay. Right. Yo, look at what I sent you, bro, on Instagram. This shit is mad funny, bro.
Hey, Jimmy.
That was
I already saw.
yes, I'm dead. Pushing up here. I'd like for this 15 to come down at least, like, or this 30, you know, doesn't close too strong bullish, because it doesn't look good. But let's see. Let's be patient here.
We'll give it room to breathe.
Yeah, give it a bit of room to breathe.
Doesn't
Probably
matter.
just gonna play in the range.
Yeah.
Except if you know we shoot up above here, then you know we'll manage risk. But unless you know we're targeting really the lows all the way until here.
It's just gonna range.
We're pushing up here big time. Let's see. I'm just gonna let it breathe, to be honest. Like as long as it holds this daily high. Let's see. I knew there was a possibility, to be honest, that we'd probably come up until here, like just to correct, you know, this imbalance here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, even expect it to break the high and then.
But yeah, you know, it can even break this high here, and
Yeah.
I just want to let it breathe, to be honest. If we start breaking the daily high, then whatever, you know, we'll manage risk. But That's the thing with trading, even if you have like 40, 50 pip losses, like, when your winners are like 150, 200 pips, it doesn't really make a difference. Like we called buys last week that were like, what, 270 pips, 280 pips? The ones from 3009. Yeah, entry was over here. So, this was like almost 300 pips. So, when you have small losses of 40, 50 pips, whatever, it's normal to lose, but it doesn't really matter.
Hare Krishna, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
I just had a question about the stop losses actually, because like I do have like usually I do trade without the stop loss,
Mm-hmm.
and then like today I thought it was gonna come back down, but it kind of reversed on me. So in essence, my question is, say if like my stop loss is like 30, like my mental stop loss, and you know how sometimes price just goes a little bit over and then it goes to TP, right?
Yeah.
So if it was the case of, it would just went a little bit over, so as long as it goes over 30, shall I just execute like time in the trade, or how far more should I risk before I know it's going to reverse on me? I don't know how to put it, but
Meaning, like, when should you exit the trade if you didn't set a stop loss? Whenever you see like it's breaking structure, or it seems like it's gonna go the other way and not your direction, then you should just close it. The thing is that you should have a stop loss only if I put a stop loss like when there's news, unless I'm just gonna close it manually. But when I see that it's going against me, like let's say in this case, like if we're breaking up above the daily, and you see we're going up, I'm gonna close it for sure. But I'm not gonna place a stop loss, because we can just wick this high over here and then come down. Like look at these highs over here. You see, like look, if someone took sales over here, you see the next candle broke the high and then it shot down. So that kind of manipulation, I don't want to get caught in that. So, but if you know that there's news coming up, and you got to place a stop, because you can get slipped.
Okay.
But if you're scalping, then you have to be super strict. And the thing is that in the early stages of trading, I know a lot of people, a lot of students also, they don't place a stop, and they're like, they don't want to close it. They're like, oh, I don't want to close it, I don't want to lose. But when you see you're wrong, you just have to close it, move on.
Yeah.
The first step is admitting that you were wrong.
Yeah, that's it. It's a range here. I was expecting this 30 to close a little weaker. Let's see if we can push down in the last minute here. I'd like to see it close a little weaker than this, so that the next one can maybe shoot down. If not, then it's probably just going to be stuck in a range here. But we're going to be holding it for sure. You know, we don't expect it to hit take profit in the next candle, so. See if we can push down here before the 30 closes. Yo, je vais book le shit, bro, après le stream.
Yo, did you try that AI thing, bro? The AI.
What AI?
Everyone's on that thing. Posting their AI thing. The image. I'll be back.
All right, so we got a 30 close here. It's not bad. Let's see. 1 hour is still up. But yeah, this morning was really nice session on gold. I didn't expect this 50. I didn't expect a reaction like this over here, to be honest. I knew there would be some kind of reaction, but I thought it would be more of a chop and then it went up. This was a pretty nice reaction on the 50. Yeah, but there's a crib on your street, bro, for sale.
Yeah?
Yo, it's a junkyard, bro. It's 730,000 for that. Look at this.
Show me.
729.
Wait, let me see. You're sharing your screen? Oh, this one. Okay.
730K for this, bro.
No way.
Yo, this area is so overpriced, bro.
Sautran?
Ouais, Trudeau.
That's yeah, crazy, bro.
C'est abusé, bro. It's too damn overpriced, bro. To be honest, Brassard.
Yeah.
There's some nice areas like near us, but not specifically in Brassard.
Guys, look for a house for me. I'm moving to Montreal.
Say word, really?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to Ontario, no?
Where?
Ontario.
What was the
Oh,
city
no,
called?
it's okay.
No.
Mississauga.
No, she wasn't going to Mississauga. It was the other city.
Moshishaga, something like that.
Mississauga, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, there's nothing quality, man.
Go L sector, you'll find.
Alright. I'm gonna take this off. I'll put minimum 850.
Even 850. You.
These are the nice houses. This is pretty nice.
L sector, R sector.
2 mil. Yo, this is on my street, bro. It's not bad.
For real?
Yeah, 1.5.
Oh, yeah, see, you told me.
1.2. Not bad. Look at this one, bro. Damn.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, for that price, is hella big. Like,
You want to buy this, you have to put minimum 460K down. And then it's 9.7K per month. 460 down is crazy. Damn. Half a mil you got to put down.
and then 10K a month after that.
And then 10K a month, yeah.
So you got to be earning like 30K a month,
Yeah, at least,
30,
yeah.
40K a month.
Then you got the property taxes also. This one has 16 rooms, bro. Damn. Then there's the property taxes. 11K per year. So they're selling it for 2.2, but it's worth 1.6. It's too much. Too overpriced.
what's like rent like for like say a 4-bedroom house in Canada?
That's crazy.
Let's check it out. 4-bedroom house.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Also,
For a house, it's more than 2K.
yeah, this one you see 4 beds here, 2.9.
Mm.
Nah, Brassard is overpriced. This one is 5, 2.8.
Even for like a apartment.
Yeah, apartment is like minimum like what, 1.3?
Yeah, 1.3,
Off.
1.4.
Well, the cheapest, let's see. 1.7, let's say. 1.4 here. 1.1. Damn. This is like a junkyard, bro.
The studio, basically.
Yeah.
But still, it's like Canada is like way less expensive than London because you guys are in dollars as well.
How much is it in London? Let's say for like 1 room.
1 room, like a studio, the one I used to live in, it was 1,100.
1,100? 1
Yeah.
room?
House.
Yeah.
Shit.
That's like what, 1,700 for us?
That's 2,045.
Oh,
Crazy.
it's wild.
Wild, for real. How much are the houses in London?
Like for like good, like in a nice bedroom house, like 2 mil is like, you know, you can get like 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Depends like which band you're in as well. That's
It's
still
not
like Greater London. If you want to go central, like, yeah, crazy shit.
It's not bad. 1 mil.
For 1 mil, that's hella big. Like, you know, that's a
This is
really big.
Ontario though. It's not
That's
like
in London. Oh, this is London, Ontario.
Ontario.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why I was like, yo, what is this website,
You
bro?
can search up on Rightmove.
Right move.
Yeah.
60, 70.
Let's go to like houses, I guess.
This is like London. London means like London is hella big, so it's not specific. Put like Chigwell,
What do I put?
like on the search, put Chigwell. That's like a nice. That's like what 10 minutes away from.
Chigwell, Essex.
Yeah.
6 mil.
Yeah, but these are the thingy ones on the
This
end of
is a nice area.
yeah. Like that's still like not London. We're still like Greater London.
Mm-hmm.
And if you wanna like put like Chelsea or like Tottenham Court Road, those are like and that's Tottenham. That's like slightly on the outside. Put Chelsea. Yeah.
These are like ugly houses, no? You don't think?
They were. They're in central London, so.
What about tell me a nice area
Where?
in the UK?
Put like Cambridge. That's like Cambridge. Yeah. But that's not even in London. That's like more north. But area-wise, it's nice.
It's too overpriced. I feel like there's better houses in Canada.
Yeah, you guys have more space, less people. That's why.
Yeah. Like you see, for 2 mil, you can get like some really nice houses here.
Mm.
Yo,
But the only thing here now, they have this new thing like fast buy a house.
Mhm.
So you only need like if you're like below 30 and it's a first house, you only can put like 5% deposit.
Yeah,
it's
same
the same thing over here.
Mm.
If
But
you're-
it's only for 2 bedrooms though, and it's on shit house. So there's like brackets.
oh yeah,
So what people are doing nowadays, like we go like Wales or like really outside,
Mhm.
buy a house, make it as an Airbnb, and like then from there it's easier to buy another house.
So you want to buy a house in London, in the UK?
Well, yeah, eventually, but I don't know because it's a hella overpriced.
Yeah. See if this level can hold here. Oh my god, this trade, bro. Let's see how this H1 closes. Might just cut it out. We're down about like 26 pips right now.
My own reel came on my For You page. That's crazy.
Damn.
Lol.
So it seems like we closed above the zone. It closed with no wick though on the 15. Let's see. See if we shoot up a little more here. We're probably gonna close it. But we're gonna give it some space now. If it's really in a range, then it should respect these highs over here. Probably make a wick and then come down. Wait.
Hello.
Book ça, bro. BNB.
Yeah, bro. Push it.
Yo, check Messenger, j'ai envoyé chat.
Nah, t'es fou. Yo, let me look at that right now, bro.
Yo, abusé. How long you guys gonna wait, bro?
I'm 100% we can find something. Yo, go share your screen right now. Share your screen right now.
Brother, just book something, bro.
Yo, do it right now. Do it right now. Share your screen.
Hold up. Alright, so let's say
25th to 1st.
to like, nah, not the 1st, bro, to like the 29th.
Oh, yeah, 29th, yeah.
And we're gonna go to the hotel after. Okay,
Alright.
let's say, I don't know, let's...
Put 12. Put 12.
Nah, you tripping, bro.
Because we're going to get something spacious now. Yeah, it's okay. Search. Alright, what do we have?
Nah, I'll go 10, bro. Even that's a lot, bro.
Non, on est plus que 10.
Nah, bro, t'es fou, comment?
Je te dis, bro.
No, bro, comment on est plus que 10, bro? Yo, better be a freaking big-ass penthouse, bro.
Ah, vas-y. Je sais pas, c'est comme tu veux.
13 beds, the hell?
Oh, lui, huge, bro.
Yo, for real.
That one's huge. But where is it?
Huh.
It's too far. It's a JBR.
I want it in the
Nah, I want it downtown, bro.
yeah, business base.
JBR is too far.
I sent this one, I think.
Nah, yet.
Nah, I don't want this one anyways. This one, bro. I think this is the one I sent.
It's not spacious.
Yo, bro, I already found two, bro. Like, just pick one. Oh. I like the balcony, bro. Luxury penthouse.
2K at night.
This
Oh,
Damn. But we're not top floor, bro. That's the only issue.
oh, that's a sick BNB, bro.
Yo.
Holy.
Damn, bro. Yo, c'est malade, bro.
Yeah, it's wild.
Get ça? Yo.
Holy.
Holy.
C'est combien? 2000 par nuit?
Let's check. Let's check the balcony. I want to see the balcony view. Shower is nice. Valid. Oh, not bad, bro. It's too low, bro.
Yeah.
It's too low. It's not bad, but it's too low, bro. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to pass, bro.
Check another one.
2K only a night. Oh, 2K a night. What?
Yeah, 2K at night.
Oh shit. Share screen. All right, see if we have anything else. Yo, jamais this, bro. Vague. This is the one I found. This is the one, bro. This one here and this one here. These are the two that I found.
On the right?
This?
Yeah, check it out.
No, I already saw this. I don't like it.
Why?
Nah, I just don't like it, bro.
It's nice, bro. What do you mean?
Nah, not a fan.
Oh. C'est Guillaume, bro, t'es fou?
Mais ceux-là, c'est plus Guillaume, bro. Oh, window? I just want some views, bro. Like some nice views.
I don't care about the view too much. I just want space.
Obviously, bro. Space
It's
also.
gonna be too cramped.
The balcony has to be nice, bro. Oh,
Yo, check lui en bas, juste en bas.
lui?
Ouais.
Trop low, bro. Pourquoi tu vas être low comme ça?
Je sais pas si c'est dur de se faire.
Oh, t'es low, bro. Et yo, prends top floor, bro.
Eh bon.
Yo, on prend ça, bro. Un de ces deux-là. Lui, c'est actually Guy, bro. L'autre est Guy aussi.
Montre que c'est. Lui?
Check les views, bro.
Oh, c'est petit, ça avance.
Le balcony, il est un peu à cause de la...
Le BNB itself.
Nah, bro. How? But this is not the one I like. I like the other one more, bro. To be honest. This one here. This is the one that I voted. Yo, ça c'est sale, bon. Get ça, bro.
C'est petit, mais it's up to you.
Les tables aussi, c'est Guy, bro.
It's really small.
How much chest? Nah, it's not small, bro. What do you expect, bro? Unless we should just get a villa. Yo, it's like 7-8 beds, bro.
Let's consider.
Yo, c'est quoi ça? Là, je dors shit là, bro. Non, on get ça, bro. Ça, c'est lui que j'ai voté aussi.
Check the one. Click. Fait close.
Il y a parking,
Fait
gym.
close.
Attends,
Close.
attends.
Yo, fais go back. Yo, les filles, ils ont book un salle BNB. Genre,
Yeah, mais c'est ça, bro.
non, ça, c'est rien comparé à.
C'est check les views, bro.
Bro, eux, c'est meilleur que ça, bro.
Ils ont quoi?
They have like an infinity pool.
Oh shit, we're shooting up here. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut this straight here. Shit. Wait, let's see. I'm gonna give it a few more. Just gonna wait for the H4 close. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for the H4 close here.
Yeah.
Down about 40 pips. See if we can get a push down here. Yo. That's what happens when you take sells in a bull trend. Don't follow us, guys. But for real, I'm gonna wait till the H4 close here. Just to make sure that I don't close it here and then we shoot down after.
Yeah. Maybe the next H4 will do like a small wick, break the high, and then flip back and melt.
Yeah, but it could shoot up top also, honestly. If it breaks the daily high, it can really go to this TP over here. It's possible. As you see, we came down, we formed a support over here.
We go to the 27, right?
Yeah, and it's holding well. So we formed a support here. We broke the high. So
yeah,
I have to see what happens here, but we're gonna be managing risk soon. Just waiting until the H4 close here. Trop bullish, bro. Your superior is trop bullish. God damn. Yo, décide ça, sinon je vais book, bro. Pas le temps de niaiser, frère.
yeah. Attends, je check ça.
Je kiffe pas trop le deuxième, bro, to be honest. C'est pas que je kiffe pas, mais
What?
the second one. It's not that I don't like it, but
Just, I'm sure we can find something way better, bro.
then find something.
Yeah, just I'll find it right now.
Je trouve ça tonight, bro.
Yeah. April 25th to 29th.
Yo, ton boy, c'est on, hein? Boy London.
Yeah. Ok, c'est ça, bro. Les filles, ils ont book ce BNB. Damak.
J'étais là l'année passée, Damak. C'est
Yeah,
Dieu.
they own like 10 bit, like whole city, bro.
Bro, nous, on a MR, bro. What do you mean whole city?
Damak, they own like 10,000 buildings in Dubai.
Yeah, but MR also, bro.
Yeah, MR, Damak.
I had Damak last year, but it was nice.
Yo,
All right, H4 is about to close here. So, you know, if we push up like big time, I'm gonna close the trade here. 15 is closing.
let it repeat, like let it break the high, see how it reacts, and then close it.
But you see the 15 is closing really strong also, so I have to be careful over here. You know, this can just rip up, to be honest.
Yeah.
You know, I have to be careful. We're down about 40 pips right now. 45 pips. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot of volume here. Damn. See if this is gonna break the daily high here. Probably is here. Yeah, check the volume.
Yeah.
All right, so it's broken the daily high here. Let's see if we can get some kind of bearish reaction here, or it's just gonna shoot up here. Okay, damn. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it here. No, I'm gonna wait a bit, actually. Holy shit, what is this reaction, bro?
Oops. 80 pips. Yeah, just better to close it. We'll wait for another entry tomorrow.
I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. But yeah, we're down about 80 pips right now. I'm gonna see here if this breaks the higher, I'm gonna close it.
Yeah.
Yo, look at this 1 minute candle. Yo, this pair is so bullish, bro. Holy shit.
Cheney.
So yeah, if it breaks this high here, I'm gonna close it in a 90 pip loss. Unless let's just see if it can come back. If not, then it is what it is. You book ça tonight.
Yeah, bro, for sure.
J'ai essayé de trouver un qui est Guy.
Yeah, bon, pas le choix, feu.
I'm down to cut half still, bro. I'm not a. I feel like it can fake out here.
Yeah, possibly.
Let's see. We're still holding over here. So like I said, if it breaks this high over here, I'm gonna cut it. But let's see. Maybe we can cut half over here somewhere. Minimize the loss, you know.
Yeah, if you see it pushing up, just close half and hold the rest.
Yeah, we're down about 60 pips now. So it did respect this high here. Still holding to see if this was a grab or if it's gonna come down.
Retest was done on the 5-minute. Let's see if this was a fake out or an actual breakout.
Yeah, I think if we start to go back up here, I'm gonna close half. Like, I didn't close it here because I knew that a lot of people are buying right now, so this could just be a grab. But let's see what happens. Now we're back to only 30 pips drawdown.
Yeah, it was a nice fake out.
Oh, a huge grab, bro. I didn't expect that much volume. Yo, that's a crazy grab.
Yeah.
I'm thinking we could cut half here, maybe.
If you see the 5-minute breaking 3-1-30 ish, cut half.
I feel like if we get a 1 minute bull here, bullish candle, probably I'm gonna cut half because
Yeah, you can do that too.
I don't want it to go back all the way until there. That's gonna confirm that it's not a fake out.
Yeah.
Like if this one closes bullish here, I'm probably just gonna
just cut half.
Yeah. All right, I cut half over here. So cut half at 45 pips. So I only have half position running here. Let's see what gives. Obviously, there's some bullish pressure here because a lot of people are buying on the retest over here, which explains kind of the move up. But yeah, we did cut half at 40 pips. Now we have a small position running. I actually cut 60%, but we have a small position running here. If it breaks the high over here, we're gonna cut the rest of whatever is running. If we do manage to respect this high over here, we only have, a little less than half running. But if we manage to respect this high, come down, then we're gonna look for more sells tomorrow. But if not, if it shoots up here, then we're just gonna cut whatever is remaining. Thinking, what if I add like a sell position here?
No, just wait for price to come back in the range. It's pretty risky to add right now.
Yeah, it's risky, man. It's pretty bullish. Good thing we cut half, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. I was expecting that, bro, just because of all the bullish pressure on this break and retest.
Yeah.
I knew that even if like it shows that it's a fake out, a lot of people are gonna try to enter sells over here, so it might sell over here and come down. But this is how you manage risk. Like when you're wrong, like we waited for this, and I knew that it wasn't really gonna keep shooting up. So when it came back to minus 40, 41 pips, we cut 60% of the trade. Now if this can come back here, we're gonna hold it. It's less than half, but if we break up above here, then we're gonna cut the whole thing. Chini,
Yeah, my brother.
How's
so my dog.
I'm here, my brother. Just finished work.
Yo, what's with the BNB, brother?
I like the second one, my brother.
Yo, je suis en train de check push. Je trouve des meilleurs lives.
Yo, si tu trouves, envoie mail. It has to have that view, bro, on the balcony.
Yo, t'as fait le visa?
Non, mon père a dit demain. Yo, tu dois aller à Jean Coutu. Tu dois get une pic.
J'ai déjà un pic.
Like with the right measurements, hein?
Yeah, comme passport measurements.
Right.
Yeah, my brother. Part of the game,
I'm getting shit on here, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Part of the game.
Yo, how was your trades today?
We had 2 trades, bro. They both ran for like 80, 90 pips and came back to break even after.
Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. I had one trade, came back to break even. I was like, nah, bro, today's not my day. So I just stopped.
Happens, bro. We just took a 41 pip loss here. I have another half running over here, so this could be a 60.
It's a bullish, bro. The trend is it's bullish heavy.
Yo, you saw the 3-month candle? Look at this shit, bro. Like I've never seen this before, bro. Yo, look at this closure, bro. The first quarter of the year.
God damn.
Yo, $500, bro, on gold. Crazy. Like I've never seen this before.
It's the new era, my brother.
I was trying to buy some gold in Dubai, bro. Yeah, super expensive.
The gold that I bought in Dubai last year, it's like $1,000 more now.
Yeah,
for sure. I should have bought it last year, bro. Tripping.
Yeah, it was a blessing in disguise, my brother.
You'll figure it out, bro, tonight.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so what? Mumbai or Goa, bro, brother?
Mumbai, bro.
Crazy time, bro. We don't even have the visa yet, bro. Yo, Abe, you got your answer for the visa?
Mine will take time, my brother.
Mine too. I think so, my brother. Come on. Any upcoming trades for tomorrow?
Not for now, bro.
Nothing for now, bro. Not much of a structure. I don't really want to buy the highs like that. I just want to see more clarity, for sure.
Yeah, I heard the guy Lucky. Who's the guy? The lucky guy. On he wants to stay with us in Dubai, huh? You want to experience that life?
Who? This boy? Oh, lucky.
You want to be with the grown-ups. You want to be with the grown-ups, huh?
Yo, the shit that happened in Thailand is crazy, bro.
Yeah, earthquake, huh?
The earthquake.
Crazy.
But isn't it like? Doesn't it happen like every year, every few months?
In Thailand?
Yeah.
I don't even know, bro.
I think earthquakes are pretty recurrent in Thailand.
Yeah, to be honest, we expected the drawdown on this trade.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Expected.
I knew it was a risky trade, bro. Even before the trade, I said that it's a risky setup, but it was a valid setup, honestly. Like, once the daily high broke, I knew that we're gonna go for a little push. But usually, what happens is when we break a daily, everyone is buying. So, what it's gonna do is that it's gonna break the daily, and then it's gonna come down, and then after, it possibly gonna go up. So, I didn't expect this big of a push. So that's why I'm just being patient. I did cut half, but if it breaks this high, I'm just gonna get out of the trade fully.
It's all part of the game, my brother.
Yeah, brother.
Sure, bro. But you see, cutting 60% here was really, really good. So now it's a small position. So whatever happens, happens. And now if it goes down tomorrow, we can look to add positions also. What's the plan, Chini?
No, me and my brother. Same thing, different days.
Taj Hotel, my brother. Taj Hotel, Mumbai.
Yeah, my brother. You feel me? I'm tired. A long day, man. I wake up at 6, look at the charts.
I feel you.
Tight shit.
Tight shit. Girl math. I like the stream, brother.
Yeah, my brother. New special guest in 2 weeks. Not this stream, the next stream. I'm gonna bring my brothers in. You feel me? It's gonna be called Omigo with the
Omigo.
Omigo with the brothers. Omigo with the gang. You feel me?
I like that.
Omega.
Tight shit.
No racist things. No PG-13. Hopefully, God's will.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my brother.
Quick question. What is the difference between buy limit and buy stop limit?
So a buy limit is like, let's say if price retraces over here, then you're gonna have a limit here. So when it comes here, it's gonna activate. A buy
Mhm.
stop is if price breaks above over here, it's gonna activate you.
Okay.
So a buy stop is more of like an impulse entry above, and limit is below.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Eid Mubarak to all my people. You know.
Yeah, my brother.
God damn, bro. Close the notification. What the hell?
That's all Adi, man.
These guys.
My phone is blowing up.
My brother. It's some games text, but some unwanted notification.
Thanks.
Nah, brother.
Since day one, I've been telling this guy switch it off.
Yo, get me out of this trade, bro. God damn. Yo, just get me out. I beg you, get me out.
You guys still in the trade?
Yeah, bro.
Like
What-
only 40% trade, yeah.
Where's the stop loss?
The high.
Oh, above the high.
All time?
Yeah, all time. We cut 40%, 60% here. Now we have another 40 running. Entry was over here.
May I ask how many pips? I mean, how many lots? I'm sorry.
Lots?
Yeah.
What?
Three lots.
You can do 1 lot, 2 lots, 0.50.
How many
Three
guys?
lots.
How many you guys?
3.
Me, on my FTMO, I did 1 lot.
Damn, you guys are rich people, huh?
Nah, bro. I don't do more than like 3 lots on FTMO. Never.
My brother, I need some good Indian movies to watch.
Watch Deva, it's out. I didn't watch it yet.
I started it, bro.
Don't bring me some bullshit, my brother, please.
It was all right. It's all right. I'm
Don't
happy
tell
there.
me no bullshit. If you tell me some bullshit, bro, if
What
I
do you mean,
watch
bro? I never recommend some bullshit movies. You crazy?
Shahid Kapoor, bro.
but Deva's performance is crazy, though. Like,
Yeah, his performance.
The
The
rating-
storyline is a bit mid, bro. It's okay so far.
Watch Sikandar.
Sikandar?
Watch Shikandar, bro. Salman Khan. You like it?
Chini's gonna like that.
It's on what? Oh, what is it about?
I don't know.
know.
It's
Sikandar.
your boy.
What is it on?
Salmon.
Is it on Netflix?
Nah, bro, in the theaters.
Bruh. Oh, well, let's go watch it, bro. I need something
I ain't
to
trying to
watch
blow my money on that movie, bro.
at home. I need something that I can watch at home.
Uh,
Dude, it's been a good. It's been a long time. I didn't enjoy a good Hindi movie. You know.
yeah, bro.
Yo, get me out of this trade, dog. I don't want to be curled up in a range here.
Yo, Deva looks good though. I'm gonna lie to you.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yo, you guys watch Nadanya?
Gaspillage de temps, bro. Actually, bro.
You didn't like it, bro?
Bro, I probably saw like 10 minutes, bro.
What do you mean,
I saw like 10 minutes of the movie.
bro? I think
10 minutes I'll never get back, bro.
I think that was the movie of the year.
What? You saw it?
Mm-hmm.
You a lover boy, eh? 10 minutes I'll never get back in my life, bro.
I'm a ladies' boy, my brother.
Simp.
Nah, I'm a ladies' boy, but I don't simp. There's a difference between that shit, my brother.
Explain me, brother. I want to know.
I
I
mean,
want to know more.
since I was raised by women, I understand women. You feel me? So
We're all raised by women, bro.
yeah, but you know me, I was extra raised by women, if that makes sense.
I feel you.
So yeah, so I guess I get along more with women than men. I like to be in a women's company, if that makes sense.
Isn't that cool? Like a playboy?
Nah. I'm like, doesn't have to be anything, but it just could be like platonic. I'm not, I don't cheat on. Or like they say, brown men don't cheat. Feel me?
I disagree.
I agree with that.
She needs a loyal man.
I'm a little. I don't know why all of you guys turned your camera off. That was a little bit off, mate.
She needs a good boy, bro.
I'm a good youth, my brother.
Yeah, brother. Yo, by 10:30, I'm booking it, bro. I'm gonna BNB,
Bro, which one?
the first one.
No, bro, book the second one.
You sure?
I like the second. You have more room in the second one, no? Don't you think?
Nah, bro. I'll book the second one.
Nah, bro, chillax, bro. Let me send something.
Yo, please, brother.
Chillax, my brother.
You'd be saying that for like two months, bro.
Yo, if these two are gone, yo,
Chill. Let me send some in the group chat. Oh, we got out, I think.
Oh, we got out here. Okay. All right, we're out. So with 60 cut here and here, it was like 70, 75 pip loss. Yeah, so we're gonna see tomorrow morning. Either we're gonna come back here, have some kind of reaction and go up, or either we're gonna fake out and go lower. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens during London session. So yeah, let's see.
But why did the market move like that today, though? There was like no news, nothing. It's a Monday. We should expect volume and stuff, and it's just doing all that. It's so jarring.
It's just super bullish. That's what gold is. But to be honest, like what we're seeing now, we're super blessed, you know, because it's really easy to trade, but it's gonna get tough soon. Like if we skip back, it's not gonna get tough, but it's just, you know, like look at the summer. This is a price action during summer. Like this is 70% of trading is just this. Like you gotta play your internal structure and just play the ranges. But don't worry, when this kind of market comes, we're gonna adapt. But now, you know, we're super lucky with the market conditions right now. It's really easy to trade.
So during that time, the lot sizes are higher or something? Because like there's less pips, no?
Yeah. To be honest, yeah, your stop loss is tighter also. So yeah. But I don't expect that for now. Like we're super bullish right now. I knew it was gonna come down at some point, and I know it's gonna come test, but you know, I had to manage my risk here.
Yeah, guys, do the New York session or something with the stream, because like we went 1 hour back, so you know it's like almost like modularity time for me.
We're gonna do that soon for sure. The New York stream, and that's way better because New York was super active, to be honest. Asia also, but we were lucky we got a trade today. But yeah, we're planning. We're going in 2 or 3 weeks, but even then, we're planning on doing New York session more consistently. What time is it for you in London?
2:30
a.m. right now?
Yeah,
Crazy. I respect the hustle.
it will be worth it one day.
For sure.
It's all part of the game, you feel me?
Yeah. All right. Anyways, thanks for showing up, guys.
No
So
worries, thank
a lot
you.
today, but that's what it is. Take care.
You guys, same. Bye.
Bye.
Good day. Bye.